explain, Lucas, can you explain to me what you draw?
Wait,
Okay, sorry, sir. I'm
I'm
waiting.
not sure.
Okay, I'm waiting. Sige, explain to me first, babe, before you color. What's in that drawing, man? Okay, tell me.
I'm dreaming. I want to clean the. I want to clean the. I'm gonna clean the clothes with this.
Oh, so that's a washing machine?
Yeah, that's a washing machine.
Wait, who's this?
Me.
And
I'm
this
dreaming.
is... Oh, you're dreaming. Okay, wow.
And then this is the sabon to put that here.
Oh, what does
And
the
this-
sabon do?
This is the clothes, and then it make the slime, because if you put slime to the clothes, it will make the slime clothes na.
Ah, dirty na.
Yeah,
That's why
only
you-
and then it became to one only.
Oh, okay. That's a nice drawing right there.
Nice.
Yeah,
Look at
I
that.
like it. Mhm.